Okay, so before we get dinner on the go, I'm going to put a tarp over the tent just for a little bit of an extra precaution. It is supposed to rain, I believe, tomorrow morning and maybe even overnight. So I am going to put another layer over the tent, and then we're going to get some water boiling for the vegetables, and then we'll get the fire going so we can cook our dinner. And I can't wait to share with you guys what we're having. I'm so excited to eat it, and yeah, let's enjoy it tonight, and hopefully tomorrow morning it won't be raining too bad. But I got the cooker anyway, so we can cook maybe even not necessarily in the tent, but just outside the tent. So that's exciting. So let's get this tarp on. Alrighty, looks good. Well, usually it's not that difficult. Okay guys, so I was really excited to share my dinner with you. I got the water boiling over here for the vegetables, in which we're having a carrot and some potatoes. I also got some mushrooms and an onion that I'm probably going to fry up. But we got a steak, but it's actually lamb. This is lamb, and I'm so excited to have lamb. We've actually never had lamb out here in the wilderness before, so but that's really exciting. So I'm going to go ahead and start chopping up the veggies. Peeling and chopping the veggies. Cut the stalk off. Get our super duper cutting board. Those mushrooms are good. Started raining. Might have to switch over to the GoPro. Those mushrooms are good. Yeah, I'm going to switch over to the GoPro. Oh yeah, dinner is a-cooking. Lamb and vegetables, baby. Lamb and vegetables. Oh yeah, the vegetables are done. All right, the lamb is almost done. So I think I'm going to put on the pot and fill it up with water so we can get our evening cup of decaf coffee. That's exciting. And by the time that boils, the lamb should be done. The lamb's probably done now, really. But I'll leave it on for a few more minutes, and then we'll fill up the fire once again. Guys, that lamb is absolutely perfect, and so are the vegetables. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm gonna stag up the fire and we are going to we're gonna enjoy this feast. That was truly, I think, the tastiest lamb that I have ever had in my life. Wow, that was honestly delicious. That was really, really good. Not as good as this coffee, but still good all the same. See if I can get the fire fired back up. I got a lot more wood here too, so even though it looks like my pile is just about gone, I still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more trees I think to cut up. So I just wanted to get supper on the go, or dinner, just in case the rain comes. So we're going to rearrange this a little, and yeah, we're just going to keep going, keep firing this bad boy up. But we're going to eat our vegetables now, and then I'll cut up more wood. Oh yeah, that's good. Well, that was good. That was super. That was dinner, folks. So I'm going to cut up the rest of that wood before this burns out, and I might move my food bag away from the camp now, but I don't think it'll matter because I got a fire going. But dinner was delicious. Alrighty, we got all that wood cut now, and the fire's still going good. So we'll burn all of this off throughout the night, and then we'll head into the tent. So we're going to carry all that over now. Whew. Alright, we got all the wood brought over, and we got everything around camp cleaned up now except the essentials, and of course we got the fire going all nice, all ablaze. Beautiful fire. We'll burn off the rest of this wood, and then we'll just go in and hang out at the tent for the evening. But wow, what a beautiful evening. It's actually really wet. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it's very misty. I don't know if it's picking it up, but anyways, it's very misty. It's very wet out right now. But yeah, we're going to burn off the wood, and I'm going to finish up that delicious decaf coffee. I'm going to turn the light off, of course. And yeah, and then we'll call it a night. Well, guys, we are in the tent now and set up and basically ready to go to bed now. I hope you enjoyed the video thus far. I know I've been having a blast on this trip. Got a couple really nice fire shots, a couple really nice scenes, a lot of nice scenery in this location. And yeah, but other than that, I'm pretty tired now, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hit the hay. So good night, God bless, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning. Good night. Well, good morning, folks. It's just barely daylight, but I'm gonna get up and get ready anyways because it's extremely windy here. I'm just happy that my tarp didn't blow away. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna go ahead and wake up and just get ready and head on out. It's the wind is supposed to go up, I think, to 70 kilometers an hour plus rain. So I think the quicker we can get out of here, the better. So I'm gonna go ahead and get up and head out. Well, folks, we got everything taken out of the tent now, as you can see. So it all just has to pack up and go back together, and we're gonna leave this beautiful spot. Like I said, you know, this was an awesome trip. I hope you guys enjoyed the trip, and this will probably be the last time I talk, but I will show you guys me packing up and then me heading out. Like I said, there's a lot of really bad weather coming, and I just want to get out of here before the weather comes. So I hope you enjoyed this adventure. I really enjoyed it. I loved making it. I loved hanging out with you guys again. Got some more awesome adventures planned. So yeah, so let's get to it.